If you want to change language of your Sharp Aquos TV, at the first you have to go for the menu. Next you have to scroll to the settings, go for the setup, and of course you can navigate by using the arrows and OK. And there it is. In the first place we get the language. So when you use the right or the left arrow, you can simply change language. So if you want to stay with the Portuguese, for example, just go for it, and then you can just go forward, continue your stuff, and as you can see the language has changed. So you don't have to confirm or something like that, just go for the language. There it is. Okay, let me just go back for the English. So basically that's how we can change the language at this TV. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.